Hello everyone, my name is Nick from Bosques University. I am going to explain you how I did my class, how I deliver my class. So basically, we started going to Google Classroom. In that place, you will find our students will find everything about the class that was for the last session, and then we always present my Canva. In that place we learned about regular and irregular verb, and and after that we started playing this kind of memory game that could be really useful in order to remember this kind of verbs. And that is how we started, and we did it in that way. You have to say from 1 to 10 to 20 in order to identify it and to get those couples. And then we have the regular irregular verbs, and we explained about it. And then we have a virtual notebook. In that place they will see everything that we did in our class and all the rules about it, just to identify it. And for now, that's what we learned, we noticed with that in that class. And after that we listened to an audio and a video where they can identify the verb, but they have also to select if it is a regular or a irregular verb. They have to categorize them, but the idea is that first of all they have to identify the verb in the context. And if we go to load that information, we have irregular and regular verbs, and in that place they have to create a chart, and they have to write um the verb in the respond chart. For example, it could be regular or irregular. And then we have to read, and in that place we have to go to our classroom one more time. And if we notice we have simple present, we just click on it, and then we will notice this. In that case, they had to read, and they had to identify the regular and irregular verbs, and they have to highlight it. And that's it. Then we are going to show you an example about it. So let me check it. Okay, student words. Okay, in that place we will see this, and that's how they had to do it. And which means that it is pretty cool and good to identify these kind of verbs in a contextualized situations. And then let me check it. Right now we go back to one more time to a Canva presentation in order to review what do we have to do. Okay, let me check it right now. Okay, let's review. So in that place, we have to answer a Educa Play game, and in that place we just have to select the proper word, the proper verb, with the spelling and everything, and, and that's it. For example, in here we have to identify the proper word, the proper verb, and that's it. Okay, and that was my class for that day. I hope you can identify everything about it, and thanks for being in contact with us.